eufy PoE NVR Security System S4 Max Review, Lokal AI, cross-cam tracking, and real results.
You've probably felt it before, staring at grainy footage, rewinding endlessly trying to catch something useful. A neighbor told me she spent 3 hours searching for a package thief clip and found nothing clear. That frustration is real. Security cameras promise peace of mind, but blurry footage delivers the opposite. Sound familiar? That quiet disappointment hits harder than most people admit. There's a better way forward.
Now multiply that frustration across months. Missed alerts, false notifications at 3 in the morning, battery cameras dying at the worst possible moment. Your gut tightens every time you check the app, wondering if something important slipped through. A friend missed footage of someone testing her door handle because the motion sensor lagged badly. The stress compounds silently, but clarity and control are absolutely possible.
Enter the eufy PoE NVR Security System S4 Max. This is where surveillance finally catches up with what you actually need. Don't just pick any home security system. Make sure it has local AI processing so you avoid cloud dependency and slow alert delays that everyone complains about. The S4 Max runs everything on device, meaning faster detection, smarter tracking, and 0 monthly fees eating your budget. The triple-lens cameras pair a fixed 4K wide-angle view with a 2K PTZ lens that auto-zooms and follows movement up to 164 feet away. One installer told me he set up a system for a client who nearly missed capturing a break-in attempt, but the cross-cam tracking handed off perfectly between cameras and caught every detail. The 2 terabyte hard drive records continuously, expandable to 16 terabytes when you need longer retention. Customizable no-go zones reduce false alerts dramatically. And here's something worth noting. The PTZ auto-framing keeps subjects centered even when they move unpredictably. Real intelligence, not gimmicks.
Here's what daily life looks like with this system running. Your driveway camera spots a delivery truck, and before you tap anything, the PTZ lens zooms in on the driver's face and license plate automatically. One tech reviewer called the Lokal AI genuinely proactive, not just reactive like most consumer systems out there. A security analyst noted that edge-based processing eliminates the 2 to 5 second cloud delay that lets intruders slip away unrecorded. A homeowner mentioned she finally stopped getting false alerts from passing cars after configuring the detection zones properly, calling it the first system that actually learns her environment. The cross-cam tracking means someone walking from your front yard to the side gate stays visible the entire time without manual switching. Worried about setup complexity? The PoE design uses 1 cable per camera for power and video, so installation stays clean even if you're not a networking expert. No separate power adapters cluttering your walls. What feature would finally make you trust your security footage? For most users, it's knowing that AI works locally and nothing depends on internet outages or subscription renewals. That confidence changes everything.
Professionals and homeowners keep choosing the eufy PoE NVR Security System S4 Max because it delivers what others only promise. No monthly fees, no cloud delays, no blurry guesswork when something actually matters. Results may vary based on installation and environment, but feedback stays consistently strong across different use cases. Join the growing number of users finally getting clear, reliable footage without subscription fatigue dragging them down. Click the link below and experience what real local AI surveillance feels like in your own home. The difference starts today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.